Hi, I'm Tracy, and I'm here today to tell you about an amazing and fun way to make some extra money and have so much fun doing it. It's the BeJeweler Pro, an electric rhinestone applicator designed specifically for the Swarovski crystals. It is so much fun to work with, and you can do almost anything with it. Actually, what you want to do is decorate any type of porous surface, such as jeans, purses, candles, picture frames. Actually, it's pretty endless on what you can do with it. But what I'd like to do is explain this tool to you. The BeJeweler Pro is ergonomically designed to fit around the contour of your hand, and it comes with 8 interchangeable tips. Each tip actually just screws on the end of the tool, and you always want to make sure that you do this while it's not plugged in. You put the correct size tip on the tool, and it comes with a cleaning brush. In case a crystal happens to get stuck in there, you just want to scoop it out with your brush, okay? It also comes with a support stand that you can rest it in between applications. What you want to do is take a surface that is hard, lay your crystals out on that surface, and always make sure that they're facing up so you know what crystal you're working with. You're going to take the tool and you're going to actually take the tip and place it over the top of the crystal and pick it up. Once you do that, the crystal will actually start to melt into the tool, and then you place it straight down and lift up, and it's that simple. It's so much fun to decorate, like I said, any item and turn it into a fascinating, beautiful item. The tool also has universal voltage, so if you're into traveling, you can take this tool along with you, and it doesn't need an adapter anywhere in the world. It is so much fun to work with, and I think you'll have some exciting things in the end.